Are you looking for a way to earn passive income? ChatGPT technology might just be the solution you've been looking for. ChatGPT is a revolutionary technology that combines artificial intelligence, natural language processing, and machine learning to create a powerful tool for generating passive income. Hello, and welcome to this video on ChatGPT, the best technology for passive income. If you're interested in generating passive income with the help of cutting-edge technology, then you're in the right place. In this video, we'll explore how ChatGPT can help you achieve your passive income goals. However, before we start our countdown, we would appreciate it if you would subscribe to our YouTube channel and also press the bell icon. So, let's get started. If you're not familiar with GPT technology, it stands for Generative Pre-trained Transformer. It's a type of machine learning that is trained on large datasets to generate human-like text. ChatGPTs are specifically designed for generating conversational text, making them ideal for chatbots and other conversational applications. Introduction to ChatGPTs. Passive income is one of the most sought-after sources of income in the world today. It allows you to earn money while you sleep, travel, or spend time with your family. However, creating passive income is not an easy task. It requires a lot of hard work, dedication, and most importantly, the right tools and resources. ChatGPTs are a relatively new technology that has been gaining popularity in recent years. They are ideal for generating conversational text for chatbots, virtual assistants, and other similar applications. They are pre-trained on a large dataset of human conversation, which allows them to generate text that sounds natural and human-like. One such tool is ChatGPT technology. ChatGPT technology is a form of artificial intelligence that can understand and respond to natural language. It has the ability to automate repetitive tasks and provide personalized responses to users in real time. This technology is used in chatbots, virtual assistants, and other communication tools. By leveraging ChatGPT technology, you can create automated chatbots that can engage with customers, provide support, and even make sales. This can help you generate passive income by reducing the amount of time and effort you need to put into customer service and sales. ChatGPT technology can also be used to create personalized content that can attract and engage your audience. By analyzing user data and behavior, ChatGPT technology can generate content that is tailored to the needs and interests of your audience. This can help you increase your reach and engagement, which can lead to more passive income. In addition, ChatGPT technology can also help you automate your marketing efforts. By analyzing user data and behavior, ChatGPT technology can generate personalized marketing messages that are tailored to the needs and interests of your audience. This can help you increase your conversion rates and generate more passive income. How ChatGPTs generate income. ChatGPTs can generate income in a few different ways. One way is through chatbots that can answer customer questions and provide customer service. By automating these tasks, businesses can save time and money while still providing excellent customer service. Another way that ChatGPTs can generate income is by creating virtual influencers. Virtual influencers are computer-generated models that can be used for advertising and other marketing purposes. They can be cheaper to create and maintain than real-life influencers, making them an attractive option for businesses. Best ChatGPTs for passive income. There are many different ChatGPTs available, but not all of them are created equal. Here are some of the best ChatGPTs for generating passive income. Number 1. OpenAI GPT-3. OpenAI GPT-3 is one of the most popular ChatGPTs available. It's been trained on a massive dataset of human conversation, which allows it to generate text that is almost indistinguishable from human-written text. It's ideal for creating chatbots and other conversational applications. Number 2. Google's Mina. Google's Mina is another popular ChatGPT. It's been trained on an even larger dataset than OpenAI GPT-3, which makes it one of the most human-like chatbots available. It's ideal for creating customer service chatbots and virtual assistants. Number 3. Microsoft's Dialog GPT. Microsoft's Dialog GPT is another powerful ChatGPT. It's been trained on a large dataset of human conversation, which allows it to generate text that is natural and human-like. It's ideal for creating chatbots and other conversational applications. Number 4. Hugging Face's GPT-2. Hugging Face's GPT-2 is another popular ChatGPT. It's been trained on a large dataset of human conversation, which allows it to generate text that is natural and human-like. It's ideal for creating chatbots and virtual assistants. Choosing the right ChatGPT for your needs. When choosing a ChatGPT for your needs, there are a few things to consider. First, consider the type of application you want to create. Some ChatGPTs are better suited for customer service chatbots, while others are better suited for virtual assistants. You should also consider the size of the dataset that the ChatGPT has been trained on. Generally, the larger the dataset, the more human-like the chatbot will be. Finally, consider the cost of the ChatGPT. Some ChatGPTs are free to use, while others require a subscription or payment. That's it for our video on the ultimate guide to passive income with ChatGPT technology. We hope you found this video informative and helpful. Remember, creating passive income takes time and effort, but with the right tools and resources, you can achieve financial freedom and live the life you've always dreamed of. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos like this one. Thank you for watching.